Hey everybody, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and right now I am standing in my room at the RIU Hotel in Times Square in New York City. This location is 305 46th Street in Manhattan, and I'm going to take you on a room tour right now. So like I said, this is the RIU Hotel in Times Square, Manhattan, and this is room 3014. You start out by putting your card in, and we enter the room, and this is not a handicap room. Frank is not with me on this trip, but I will start out by showing you that there is a secure lock. I don't know exactly how it works. There we go. So people can't get in at nighttime. There are peepholes, and your escape plan is right here. You will need to put a card in here so that your lights are operable. Immediately upon entering, there is a small foyer area. This is the light switch for the bathroom. Hi guys. They have this funny toilet here. It's really funny. And that is to flush the toilet. They do have some nice hooks up here for you to hang things, and plenty of towels, a nice large sink, and a shelf down below to store your items. You'll see there's a great mirror. A blow dryer is included in your room, which is always a question we get, and a huge walk-in shower. It does have a rain shower head up top, and it also has a handheld that can be removed if you so desire. And there is a glass door that you can close. Also, when I come out here, you will see that this door does slide. And as you can see, you cannot see anything that's going on in there, so do not freak out. It's just like the NCL Epic, if you have ever traveled on the Epic. To the left, when you first come in, are two doors. Sorry, my mouth is not working. There is plenty of space to hang things. There are hangers, as well as an ironing board, an iron, and a safe, which is great. There are extra pillows up there if you so desire them. Once you continue on into the bedroom area, you will see that there is a king-size bed. It's very comfy. I already laid on it. Two lights, some outlets on either side of the bed. There's a bedside table on either side of the bed. You can control your own temperature with the thermostat on the wall. There is also a mirror right over here, full length, to check yourself out before you go on a night on the town. There is a small desk area here in case you're working on your trip, just like I am. And a nice touch, just like on the cruises, they have USBs right in the wall, okay? Right with that switch there, right by the desk. It's really, really great. They have, let me see if I can get this open. Maybe you can see the view. I am on the 30th floor, which can be scary, but great view in this room. And there is actually 3 windows. This is a corner, So I will open these up so you can see. It was a little brighter, a little too bright when I was filming, trying to film in here before. So I shut them. And another window over here with some great, great views of the city. City life. I can only imagine that this is going to be beautiful at nighttime. This room also does have a refrigerator. The water is restocked every day. So there are 2 bottles right now in there that are complimentary waters. Wi-Fi is included for free here, as well as breakfast. They have a nice breakfast buffet. So that is the room. I do apologize that it is not a handicap room because I know a lot of our viewers look for that. But maybe I can get them to show me a handicap room and I can film it for you. I would not hesitate booking this room. I hope this is helpful for anybody traveling to New York City and considering taking your trip and staying into Times Square. Until our next video, travel safe and cruise often.